Hi everyone, it's the Nerdy Witch here, and this is Logan, as you all remember, and we're playing with My Little Pony. What pony is that?
This is Sparklebean, and me and her, we have troubles in the night, and guess what happened last night? I heard a knocking on my window, and when I turned to see, no one there.
Okay, so Logan's a little scared to sleep by himself at night. So I thought I would use a variation of my sacred sleep spray that I use to sleep with mild protective agencies and transfer it into a nice protective spray for Logan to ward off against ghosts, monsters, aliens, demons, shadow people, the whole like. Let's go with that. Just to preface this real quick, I am not wearing any makeup because I have eye ulcers, corneal ulcers. Yeah. So I'm not allowed to wear makeup or my contacts. So you're getting all natural stuffy here. So
Put your thumbs up where they can see it.
oh. Okay.
Just a
So
little reminder.
no, thank you. Logan's keeping me on point. Okay, so real quick before we start, I want to go over our ingredients. Minus the pony, because she's not going in the potion.
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, so I like to use as many dry herbs as I can. If you would use any different herbs, let me know. Comment below if I left something out. If I added too much, that's great. So here is my carrier oil. It is sweet almond oil because I do want this to be a liquid kind of spray thing. Yep. Nope. Back to baby brain. Here we are. Okay, so I have, what is this? Chamomile flower, dry chamomile, right there to help with the sleep and protection. Same thing with this lovely lavender buds that I have here. And then I really like cedar wood with these, whoop, that's sage, whatever. So I really like the cedar wood oil to go with it. I feel it's very calming, very relaxing. Yes, baby.
What are we going to name this video?
I don't know yet.
I think I got a good name.
All right, what's
Monster Brain.
Monster Brain?
Yeah.
Monster Brains. Okay, so this is Monster Brains. But I really like the cedar wood in combination with these smells. I feel it's very comforting, along with a little bit of anise. Anise, however you want to say it. Whatever. And then, of course, I do not go too far without my bay. Turkish bay. Yeah.
Barking spider.
Barking spiders. That's a different potion.
Right.
Yeah. All right. So then I have the McCormick's Finest bay leaves, and then I have a lot of dry and only one wet. So I am adding my sage oil in as an essential oil, and then I have for my sacred sleep these little dropper bottles. And as soon as you snap it on type, it turns into like an essential oil dripper thing. So he can drip it on his pillow, around his bed, at something as a projectile. We will see. So let me do a nice little close-up so you can see what Logan's doing to fill this bottle. And we will get our Monster Brain warding potion underway.
I call this potion Monster Brain.
Monster Brain? Okay, scoot.
Because I have something really scary in my head, and yeah, my brain's confused with scariness.
So we are in for the close-up.
Why do we have leaves?
They're bay leaves.
Oh.
They're help to induce nice dreams and to protect you.
I don't know if I never knew there was a leaf like that.
Yeah, bays are my favorite. I keep bay leaves in a purple sack under my pillow. So I'm just going to crush this a bit to get it to fit.
Just a bit.
Just a bit. There we go. Okay. Logan, if you would be so kind as to take a pinch of the anise seed and put that in the bottle.
How do I?
Oh, wait, this has a really cool latch. I got these at Packetans. Ready? Bam. Ta-da, little mason jars.
Thank you.
Yep, just put a pinch in there.
Yeah.
Put a pinch. That'll work. All right. Now we're going to put the chamomile. These are a little chunky too. I wish I had a bigger bottle, but this is on the fly, so we're just kind of working it. Ah!
Anyways, Mommy, what are those?
They're chamomile flowers. They're in your favorite tea.
Oh.
They help relax you, keep you calm. It's delicious to drink. Okay.
I think I should have that at school. It's calm.
Yeah, well, I can put iced lavender chamomile tea in your lunch, and that way maybe you'll be able to stay calm and focus in school.
At least I had a good day in school today.
You did. You had a great day. Okay, so we got that going on. Close the lavender. You'd think I know what I was doing. I just have this mess of stuff. I had this all nice.
We'll still be recording for water marbling, right?
Yes. That'll be our next video, is water marbling.
Oh.
Alright, let's...
I'm on a witch broom!
We're going to fill this up. I really like sweet almond as a carrier. Maybe because I think almonds are delicious. I don't know.
Hopefully this will work.
Yeah, a little more. I know it's going to work. Your mommy's a witch. She knows what she's doing.
Mm-hmm. She has her own diary of potions that work.
Oh, that's my shadows. Okay, so. Oh, yes, this is the best. Cedar wood. There we go. Okay. Now I gotta find the sweet spot. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to do things in 5s.
You add a second drop.
I didn't. It hit the board.
Oh.
Yeah. No, 5's my lucky number.
Which?
Wait, do that again.
Which?
That was too fast. You need to do like too low. Get a low.
Which?
Get her low.
Which?
There we go. Perfect. Okay. We have a flying My Little Pony. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We're going to put the lid on the sage oil.
I'm alive.
We're going to put the lid on this.
Is this a snow globe?
No, that's my crystal ball. Okay, ready? We're going to have Logan shake this up. Okay, Logan's going to shake it up. Go ahead. Do you have a song for while you're shaking?
Shake, 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 shake in the night. Shake, 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 shake in the night. Shake, 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 shake in the night. Shake, shake, shake.
All right, now,
Shake.
now make sure when you're shaking, you put good intentions in that bottle. So you want good dreams. You want to stay safe. All those things that you want for a good night's sleep. Just put that right into the bottle while you're shaking it.
I want to have a My Little Pony dream for one day.
Okay. Keep shaking.
I also want to have lots more great things at school. Dream. That's what I want to dream of, so I can actually make it happen.
Okay. You think it's shaken enough, or do you think you need to shake it more? What is your...
Shake it more.
Okay. Is that your gut telling you that, or your happy part of your brain telling you that?
Happy part of my brain. I'm
All right.
gonna have no neighbors.
Your gut needs to tell you when you're done shaking.
I want for Christmas.
No, this is for sleep. Intentions for sleep. Focus. Focus your energy on the task here, baby.
I want no signals of knocking on my window anymore.
Okay, so now that Logan has put all of his love and intention and energy into this bottle, he's arming himself against the unseen forces that make him uncomfortable.
Boom!
Yeah, like that. So, there we go. If you have anything that you would have done differently, please comment below. But we plan on basking this in the light of the all-purpose full moon just to kind of seal in all that intention and charge it and get it ready to go.
It might not be a full moon tonight. Dun, dun,
So if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. Please subscribe? Did I do that right this time?
Yeah.
I think I did that right. Please subscribe.
Oh, and before we leave this video, there's something I want to show you. I found this bottle cap on the floor, and I was like, isn't that a Earth symbol? The water symbol for Earth.
Water symbol.
Water symbol. Get close up.
That's probably too close.
Close up. Yeah, focus.
Okay. So as always, we'd like you to take care, and we will see you.
Yeah, see, which is dun 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 dun.